Hi, welcome back to video class. I'm James here. How are you? Okay, today I am going to discuss Transfer of Property Act under section 77. Okay, the 77 explain receipts in lieu of interest. Okay, the same rights and liability of the mortgagee only. This section also explain. Okay, this is continuation of the previous video. Okay, so in this section explain nothing in section 76 clauses B, subclause 76D, 76 subclause G, 76 subclause H applies to cases where there is a contract between the mortgagee and the mortgager that the receipts from the mortgaged property shall, so long as mortgagee is in possession of the property, be taken in lieu of interest on the principal money or in lieu of such interest and defined portions of the principal. Okay, in this section I'll give you a small reference, then it is easy to understand. So here explain receipts in lieu of interest. So based on the section 77 enacts an exception to section 76. Now you got it. So it omits reference to section 70 subclause C of the TP Act, which makes it obligatory on the mortgagee to pay government revenues. There is no amount to be taken between the mortgager and the mortgagee when the rents and profits are taken in lieu of interest and defined portions of the principal. In such cases, if the mortgagee does not realize the full value of the usufruct, it is the mortgagee and not the mortgager who suffers. So here Muhammad Ishaq Khan versus Roop Narayan Singh, the famous case, a full bench division of Allahabad High Court explained here overruled the decision that a usufructuary mortgage is not liable to account unless there is an express contract to that effect. Okay, every mortgagee in possession is bound to keep clear, full and accurate accounts and give to the mortgager true copies of such accounts in the manner prescribed in section 76 of the Transfer of Property Act. But section 77 enacts an exception to the mortgager's liability under clauses 77. What is explained? 76 subclause G, 76 here 76 enacts exception to the mortgager's liability under clauses G, H of section 76. Now it clear? 76 subclause G, 76 subclause H. Under section 77, if there is a contract between the mortgager and the mortgagee, whereunder it is agreed that the receipt of the mortgaged property should, so long as mortgagee is in possession of the property, be taken in lieu of interest and defined portion of the principal. The mortgagee is freed from the statutory liability to keep accounts or to render amount to the mortgager in the manner prescribed under section 76 subclause G and 76 subclause H. This is so because the receipts are set off against the interest, there is nothing to account for. Therefore, they insist on the mortgagee to keep accounts or render accounts to the mortgagor would be an empty formality. The essential condition for the applicability of it is that the receipts of the property should be liability in terms of interest or in lieu of invested and defined portion of the principal. Okay, this is what saying section 77 of the Transfer of Property Act. Okay, that's all. We'll meet again next video. Bye.